So, okay, class, good morning. Before we start our class, let me first introduce myself. So, I am teacher Cruz Mary Andy, and I will be your teacher for this morning. So, before we start our classes, let us have our prayer first. Okay? Okay. Let's bow our head and put the presence of the God. Okay. Student, please all rise and let us pray. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much for giving us another chance to learn. Grant us an open mind so that we can take in what is being taught to us and understand the lessons that will help us succeed in this life. Okay, let us now go to our main topic. So, when we hear the words family needs, or when we hear the words family needs and wants, so what comes into our mind? So, in the first thing that we need is the family needs. So there are two types in the family. There are family needs and there are also a family wants. So family needs and wants for refers to the essential needs and wants of that persons, especially in, or let's just say, the essential requirements and desire that the family has to maintain all fulfilling and comfortable life. So needs are fundamental necessary things that the family is really needs, and that's the really needs, like they really need the survival and survival equipment or necessities equipment for daily living. While the wants, it is only the things that we only need to give into ourselves, or we only want a desired preference that we can add to our life. So let's move on now to the family needs. So the first thing that family needs, it is the shelter. So shelter, this does not mean you need a bedroom, but house. You need a place that is safe for your lives, a dwelling with plumbing and electricity. You are protected from harmful, unpleasant, or frightening experiences. So here at the first bullet, so this the shelter is the main things that we need to our life, 'di ba? Because if we don't have a shelter, how can we live an safe, how can we live with our family in the safe place? So we need talaga yung shelter. So 'di ba, lahat naman siguro tayo need natin ng shelters, 'di ba, para mas komportable yung pamumuhay natin, and nakakaiwas tayo sa mga disgrasya or mga harmful things na pwede mangyari sa atin. Okay, the shelter is the first one things that we need to our life. Did you understand? So let's proceed to the next. So second is the food. So food healthy food that will nourish your family and provide them with 3 meals a day plus snacks. So 'di ba, yung food is hindi talaga siya pwede mawala natin, kasi hindi tayo mabubuhay kapag wala yung food, 'di ba? Kasi paano yung katawan natin magkakaroon ng energy kung wala naman talaga tayong food. So foods is can access a nutritions, meals, and clean water. So, di ba, need talaga natin ng foods every day para magkakaroon lang, or di ba, lagi natin sinasabi, it's better to eat 3 times a day than nothing. So, di ba, minsan nga, plus points pa kapag nakakain tayo ng mahigit sa 3 times a day, di ba? So, foods is the most necessary things that we also need, not just only the shelter. And also, we also need the water, di ba? Para makakatulong din to sa ating katawan. So, para magkakaroon tayo ng energy if ever man kung sasabak tayo sa mga kung ano-anong activity sa ating pang-araw-araw. Okay, gets lang po ba? Third is clothing. clothing. Of everyone needs shoes and appropriate clothes. If you live up north, you will need a winter coat and snow boots. So here naman, it's somehow needs nila yung coat and as winter coat and as snow boots. Pero doon lang yun sa north kung saan nagkakaroon ng malamig na taglamig na panahon. So kung sa atin sa everyday needs natin is better na yung may magagamit tayo ng mga clothing or yung mga hindi naman siya ganun ka-appropriate na clothes, yung yung casual na clothes lang for everyday nating for our everyday living. So we really needs the clothing to protect our body, not only our body but to be safe in unnecessary disease that we can adapt without the clothing. Gets lang po ba? So let's proceed to the transportation. So in this transportation, it's not only the thing that we really need, but we also need this. This is also the family needs, because if without transportation, how can we go to our work, 'di ba? If lagay na natin example, if our work is at 7 a.m. dapat nasa work ka na, nasa office ka na, then how can we go at that time if we don't have a transportation? So transportation, a reliable vehicle that seats all members of your family and has working seat belts. If you live in an urban area, you might not need a vehicle. So ayun na nga, 'di ba? So hindi naman natin kailangan i-afford talaga yung own vehicle natin, which is pwede rin tayo magko-commute, 'di ba? Meron din namang mga jeepney or mga tricycle. So we can also commute na lang, so para maiwasan din natin yung big expense sa pagbili ng transpo, especially doon sa mga tao na wala naman talaga, hindi naman ganun kalakihan yung sweldo, di ba? We can also commute na lang. So transportation is the only needs of the family. Gets lang po ba? Next is here, family wants. So when we hear the family wants, what comes in our minds? So family wants may vary greatly depending on the cultural. So, di ba, cultural, personal, and socio-economic factor. They can only include some things that we need or we only like to add in our everyday living. Especially sa yung mga tao na, di ba, yung hindi naman talaga needs ng luxury bags, luxury things, everything, and etc. and so on and so forth, di ba? So we only need or we only want that thing to add into our daily living or just to make it collections, di ba? So let's move on to the first family one. So cell phones. So we all know naman that cell phones is nowadays is very necessary into our life, especially when we are having a business, or we are having something online shop like that. So we really need the cell phones. It's not just because that we want it, but like I said earlier, yes, we only want it, but this cell phones is only necessary for communication to our family, especially dun sa family natin na nasa ibang bansa. So let's move on to the next this one. So ito next, the accessories. So we all know naman, di ba, accessories is the very known products that all girls, or not only girls but women and men, using these accessories in their daily living, especially when there are some event, big event that we really need to use the accessories. So especially no sa mga artista, nakikita natin yung kahit maliit na singsing, kahit maliit na earrings na yan, di ba, super na siya, parang sobrang gano'n na yung niya, yung prices niya is nasa na siya, hindi na siya mababang prices, kundi nasa sa taas na prices. So for me, it's not that necessary things that we really need, but it's only the wants and the ones or the only things that we like to add in our body, in or parang magiging ano lang siya, parang magiging display lang siya sa ating katawan na which is not necessary naman talaga. So, gets lang po ba? So, cable. So, one thing of the always the family wants is to have a cable, a television, a TV, and so on and so forth. But this thing is can make a family parang hindi na siya ganun sa tradition, no? Yon, if ever na kakain yung family is sabay-sabay, may mga ano yung mga family, may gathering is sabay-sabay, di ba? Because they are more on now on television. When they have a family bonding, when they have a family reunion, some of the family is not doing is not having fun with their family when they are having reunion, because some of them is only watching a cable or television in their house. So somehow needs din natin to siya when it comes sa mga let's say when it comes sa mga news. O di ba yung like sa mga bata when they are want to watch a movie, parang wala na sa attention nila is yung mag-study because they are only watching a television. So, gets lang po ba? So, next is the vacation. So, vacation is the only thing that we want to do when we are just want to give a break in many works, in many studies, in many things that we do every day. So, if we are want to um to do something, 'di ba? We also need a vacation. So it's just like to reward ourselves in like gaya nga ng laging sinasabi nila is deserve ko to. So need ko ng vacation, 'di ba? Which is not naman talaga siya necessary. Siguro unlike na lang siguro kapag ganun ka na talaga kayaman, ganun na talaga kalaki yung pera mo. So anything can do naman within the process. But for me, vacation is not that thing that we are necessary in our everyday needs. But the only things is we needs is the thing that can help us every day in our life that we are living in this world. The only things that we need is the thing that I mentioned earlier, 'di ba? Yung mga needs natin is which is the food, shelters, clothing, like that. The main thing that we need, like, 'di ba? So vacation is only just to have fun, just to reward yourself, or just to something to do with the breaking moment of your hard work, hard studies, and so on and so forth. So I think I guess that's all about my topic in the family needs and wants. And I hope you learn something from me, and that's all. Thank you. Yan. Thank you for listening.